Hello YouTubers. Today I'm working on this Husqvarna. Propel isn't working, so then I realized the cable got all rusted up. So now I did the liberty of taking these two bolts out. Those were the 8mm, and then now it's asking for a 13, which is right there. I'm hoping it's a 13. And yeah, it's actually a 13 or a half would work. And you just want to be careful, you don't want to strip them. This actually protects the belt housing. So once that's out of the way, just move it forward. And then you get to move that out of the way. Take this and rotate it all the way around. Another half or 13. Definitely don't want to strip them. And the 8, which is, you know, it's on plastic, so just don't need that much effort. Okay, that will break free. So this one's gonna be a little trickier because, well, this one really doesn't matter. But if you have a working one, typically don't want to tilt over to the air filter side. And then you'll actually flood it with oil. I'm going to try to just use like a jack or something. Just jack it up really quick. Move that wheel aside. Yeah, you see. Take that 13 or a half out. My part actually took almost 2 weeks to get here, but I spent $8 on it. And don't lose them. Put them somewhere where you know you're not going to step on and all that stuff. Why is this so tight? This is strange. Really strange. All right. Flip it back around. As you guys can see, it's pretty sunny out here, so it's a nice day to work in. So now that that's out of the way, let me see if we can see what I'm doing here. Here's another one. Actually, there's something holding it. Is it? Maybe. Alright, well then I found 2 hidden screws by the discharge area. Just gotta take those out. Hi, my baby. You healed? Oh, so then you want to be careful with the spring. Let's see. Be careful with that spring. And by now you should have enough room to get the propel out. So bear with me a minute and we'll, I mean, all I use is a flathead. Sorry, all I use is a flathead.
Daddy,
Yes, baby.
close your eyes.
I can, I'm working right now.
Daddy, close your eyes.
I'm working right now, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, better?
Yeah, that's better.
Sorry you got a boo-boo.
Daddy,
Yes. Huh? The hardest part is making those pins clamp in. Once you do that, should be pretty good. See if I could do these with this, but the problem here is the room. Got one side in. Got one side and then the other side clamps in. I mean, just be patient. All right, let's take a little small break. The only issue I'm having is this little thing there doesn't want to, it's like a plastic, and this don't lose. Yeah, I really don't know what that one's meant for, but don't want to lose it. And people, this is probably the best way to make extra cash. People are so quick to buy new machines that are just as worthless as what they have not running, when you could just invest like 10, 20 bucks and possibly maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes of their time. And they get themselves a pretty good mower. So that's out of the way. It's just stubborn. I mean, they're plastic clips that are just stubborn to get out. I've been at it for 5 minutes and still say it's worth my time. I wish there was like a better tool, a better way to pop this, but I'm almost there, you know, in a way, but not quite there. And it does help if you have somebody to take care of the backside and just pull. And then there it goes again. See, the last one I did wasn't that terrible, but I guess you see this is just stretching all the way out, so it just broke. I might just saw it off. I think I should try to invest in the object of sort to hold my phone.
Daddy!
Yeah, it's my baby.
Guess what happened?
Uh-oh, what happened?
Yuck.
That's one of the doors.
Yeah, the one that's...
Somebody's taking your toys.
Yeah, somebody taking my toys. This is like this.
Mm-hmm. Or you're forgetting your toys outside.
Toys out?
Maybe. I mean, I don't know what you do with your toys.
Daddy? Daddy, count, Daddy.
Huh?
Count, Daddy.
Count.
Yeah.
If nothing works, brute force.
Here, Daddy.
And there she goes. So this is the new one. So all you're gonna do is take this out, of course. You're gonna have to break this out, and that's about it in my end. And then you're gonna have to work on the top end, but I'm gonna connect this first. And all that's gonna do is bring that in, clip in. This. In and out. That goes like that. I'm gonna wait on putting this other spring in. So this, take this one out. And if you have extra zip ties, you know, put them in there, but if not, you don't need them. Break that apart. This one. There's another zip tie. And then here comes the other one. So this one's fairly easy, I think. This one, same thing with the clamp. Take it out. Voila. Just follow the thing, put this up here, clip up. See if it clips now. So then to put it back on, okay. I don't know why it was so hard. That's what she said. Alright. Put one side in. Put the other one in. And there she goes. And now to reassemble everything. So far we're 16 minutes in, and not too bad of a not too bad of a job. So, all right. Well, I would say spray some kind of like lithium grease, maybe around, but it's a fairly new machine, so it really doesn't need it. So just move everything back to the spots, which goes like this. And that's how she goes. Put this up. And don't forget that little spring, because that's supposed to be in there. This little thing. And wear some gloves, because you are going to break your knuckles, maybe. Not break them, but it's a, you're going to definitely going to hurt them. I'm trying to see which one is the best way to do it, which is over the clamp. And yeah. Boom. So as you can see, back to normal. All right. Let's put this one on. These are 8mm. I didn't have to take out the half, so I guess I learned something. Okay, one there. Let's get the ones in the back. Okay. The two of them are there. Let's put this 13 or half in back. You didn't have to take that out. But you did. Okay. I just want to move this in. This has the two little clips. Make sure the two clips get there. Another half. One you did have to take out. Okay. The plastics are all there. Now for the flip side. Got 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's flip her over. And like I said, not even, well, 22 minutes. At this point, we're already done. Move this lever back around. How you doing, my baby? Figure 8. Okay. And then half. Put this back around.